Well, we should have a pretty easy day today. Gonna have to swap out a couple cameras. Gotta replace the battery on that camera again, unfortunately. And I don't know, we'll probably just have to make up the rest as we go. We need to get our boom truck out and go do some stuff, but I don't think that's gonna happen today. Change of plans. We are actually going to go get some registration, and then we're gonna go fix those cameras. So hopefully we get to the battery today, but if not, beggars can't be choosers, I guess. Well, hopefully you're not scared of heights if you're gonna be up here. A little ways to fall. No, thank you. Thing to pay attention to when you're doing these. Can't tell, but down here it's actually not touching the roof at all. If you look, these bolts here, these are actual bolts. They got like the grating hashes on them. Whereas these are just lags. Like that, just going to the roof. So just by that I know not to take out these two, because these two are only clamping them together. Whereas these ones here are actually what's holding it to the roof. So I'll do that and I'll just flip it over. That'll make my life a little easier. Tell you what, the best tool I ever got is this one right here. This Mega Pro. It has all these bits down here. These aren't just normal bits. They're safety Torx, so they have the hole in the middle of them. But it has every size, and it's great for these cameras, but it also has these weird little two-prong guys. They're not my favorite screw ever, but they are tamper-proof, that is for sure. Right. Now that the cameras are installed on the mount at the very least, they're plugged in, they got power, they've been reset, we are going to add them to our system. So these are Bosch cameras. I might have to use the Bosch configuration utility. You'll see though.
Alright, sweet. Let's head up there. I guess let's make sure I can log into it like I think I should. Alright. Boom, we're in. Gosh, now I gotta find this stupid camera. It sucks. Well, they're in the air. At least the cameras are up anyway. I'm not able to see them on my side yet. I think part of that's going to be a networking issue. We'll see though. This site's got a hidden issue that I haven't found yet. I've checked all my cables, everything, and I'm still getting weird errors. So, we'll see. It's just step one, getting new cameras up here. I didn't film very much because I was starting to get frustrated, quite frankly. I didn't have the tools that I needed, so I was having to use just these wires right here and stick them in the power hole so I could get it down here with my truck. Maybe I should carry a POE injector with me or a switch of some sort. It's alright though. So we're gonna have to go home and do this. I gotta get home anyway, start working a little bit remotely on it. But yeah, I'll probably be out here again later this week. I don't think this is gonna solve the problem, but it's a good start. Get home where I can manage this a lot better.